Alright guys, so welcome for today's video. I will introduce you guys to BitFi platform. BitFi is a cryptocurrency exchange. Okay, and so BitFi stands for Build Your Dream Finance. Yan, so BitFi, ito yung kanilang logo, no? So ayan. So ang sabi dito, BitFi is a one platform for everything since 2020, no? So BitFi offer 400 plus spot trading pairs, ano, sa meron silang 400 plus, so marami na yon. And meron din silang copy trading, pero as of now maintenance yung kanilang copy trading kasi yung copy trading nila is nasa light contract, and kaya maintenance kasi i-migrate nila yung copy trading from light contract to USDT and perpetual futures, and 150 plus derivatives on futures trading. So 150 plus trading pairs on futures trading, and fiat on off ramp. So pwede tayong bumili ng mga cryptocurrency, ano, directly sa papunta sa ating account gamit ang ating Mastercard, Visa, tapos meron din silang Google Pay, Apple Pay, and SEPA transfer. And BitFi supports 100 plus countries. Meron lang mga hindi accessible na country, like for example the Iran, Iraq, North Korea, yung mga yan, yung mga country na mga yan, ano, kasi alam naman natin yung sitwasyon dun sa kanila. So hindi po muna open si BitFi sa mga ganong country. And market API, no, pero alam ko wala pa to, pero hope soon. So trading API soon din nakalagay dito, and Discover Center soon din, pero ang alam ko ang ilalabas sila ngayon is yung spot grid trading, ano. So stay tuned lang tayo dyan, abangan natin yan. Also BitFi offer affiliate program, ano, for potential KOLs. Ayan, so if you have a trading community, you can contact me or my other growth manager, Ma'am Cindy. Ayan. And if you want to join on BitFi Army, then you can contact Ma'am Adora. So pasok si BitFi sa best crypto exchanges ng 2023, ayon yan sa Forbes, ano. So next tayo. So eto yung mga most active markets dito sa BitFi, which is the Canada, no. So mas maraming users sa Canada, United States, and sa Asia naman, Vietnam, Indonesia, and Philippines. So monthly active users is almost 100k plus, and 2 million plus registered users dito sa BitFi. Pero si BitFi is may mga user din naman sa mga iba't ibang bansa, pero hindi ganoon kadami, kaya hindi na sinama dito sa recognized chart. And BitFi is trusted by integrated partner. Ito po yung mga integrated partner ni BitFi, which is the Transact, Bansha, Mercurio, Jumio, and yung Jumio po is yung mga nagpa-process ng KYC. And Coinly, Cointracking, and Chainlink, kasi yung lahat po ng data is naka-base kay Chainlink dito sa BitFi. And sa market data partners naman ni BitFi, so BitFi is already listed on CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, CryptoRank, and CoinCodex. Ayan, ito po yung mga market data partners ni BitFi, ano. Next tayo. And work with notable media partners, and sa media partners naman, ito yung mga kilala na Bankrate, Crypto News, CryptoWiser, Crash Radar, Trading Browser, Forbes. So na-feature na dito sa BitFi. And in bitcoin.com also, Crypto Potato, AMB Crypto, and Bitcoin is CoinGate, Coinpedia, Crypto News, and U-Today, Crypto Adventure, Crypto Geek, Bitcoinic, and Rank5. Tapos, sabi ng Bitcoin, we have collaborated with over 1,000 media outlets. So marami na pong naka-partner si BitFi, naka-collab, ano. And sabi dito, join BitFi family. So para ma-track po ninyo si BitFi, please follow BitFi social media on Facebook, Twitter. So meron sila, i-click natin to sa facebook.com, tapos Twitter, YouTube, and Discord, and Medium, and Telegram, Instagram, and LinkedIn. So i-follow po natin yung mga social media ni BitFi para makita po natin yung mga ongoing promotion, updates, etc. etc. Okay. And sabi dito, we are available on PC. So available po si BitFi sa PC, meron si, and also Apple Store and Google Play Store for mobile, and sa naman sa desktop is Mac OS and Windows. Available po doon si BitFi, ano. So you can search on Apple Store BitFi, on the Google Play Store you can also search BitFi, ano. And product and features. So sabi dito, we currently offer 400 different cryptocurrencies for trading. So you can easily find the next 100x gem on BitFi. Kasi yung mga hindi pa nakalista sa Binance, OKEx, yung sa mga big exchanges, pwede nyo silang makita dito sa BitFi. And spot fees, most of all the exchange same offer, 0.1%. And trading spare, meron silang yung mga main coin nila dito is XRP, Doge, Shiba Inu, TRX, and TON. Also guys, this TON coin is Telegram coin. Okay. And sa perpetual futures naman, sabi nila dito, nagpo-provide sila ng 150x. Pero alam ko this is already upgraded to 200x, ano. So 200x na yung maximum kay BitFi. And ayan. And they also offer the leverage tokens. One of the crypto exchanges offering the largest number of leverage token in the world. So sa leverage token, para siyang binibili mo yung share nung company, hindi naman yung token itself, ano, kasi leverage token siya. Pero yung kapag tumaas yung like for example BTC, tumaas siya ng 1%, so sa leverage token 3 times yung kanyang itataas kasi naka-leverage siya. Pero consider as spot trading lang din, ano. And also the copy trading, as I also said earlier, BitFi migrated the copy trading from Lite contract to USDTM. So guys, please stay tuned for that. I will update you guys once the copy trading is already live on USDTM, ano. And affiliate program, sa mga ito yung mga dedicated affiliate center, ano. You will be able to view all details regarding your referrals and earning. And lifetime rebate, not for 3 months, not for 1 year, but a lifetime. Yun yung kagandahan dito. And pwede pa tayong mag-create ng up to 100 unique referral links para matrack natin yung mga trading volume ng kada links natin. And real-time settlement commission, for example your referral trades, so it will automatically credited into your account on real-time basis. and other information. No KYC needed for most of functions. So hindi po natin kailangan makapag-KYC kapag tayo magte-trade, mag-withdraw, mag-deposit. Okay. Pero syempre better pa rin na mag-KYC tayo para sa mga promotions nila, no? Kasi in order to get your rewards, you need to do a KYC, ano? So nothing bad naman sa KYC. And sabi dito, let's build our dream finance together. So I hope you guys use BidFi, ano, kasi maraming benefits talaga si BidFi, and makikita nyo dito yung mga contact ni BidFi. Ayan, so scan nyo lang tong QR code na to para may direct kayo sa pag-register and download ng apps. So ayun lang guys, thank you for watching my video and happy trading, and let's go BidFi.